Alright, hey guys, what's up? It's me. So I'm just gonna be doing a slime smoothie. So let's just get started. So first I'm putting in a jiggly slime and it was super sticky, so I had to get it all off my hands. So yeah, I'm done with that one. I was poking it and trying to get it off my fingers, but it was really sticky. Okay, so the next one is a candle slime, and it was actually an iceberg before, but then I just took out the dried pieces. So now this one is a fluffy slime, and it was kind of stiff and I didn't really like it, so I just decided to put it in. That is a normal slime. It's nothing else. It's just like a little purple color, like a dark purple color. Now that one, that is a color changing slime. It just takes a little while to change its color, so I just thought, why not put it in there? And it was a little sticky, but not so sticky. And this is the last one, and it was a really pretty turquoise, and it was actually more vibrant than this, but you know, the camera doesn't do its justice. So then after this, I just put in some borax, and then I just came back to the video. So yeah, I just started poking right now, and then after I just put in some liquid starch, and then everything just came together. But now you can just watch the poking. So now I just started poking the slime on the surface that I had, and I just started poking it, and so I could knead it a little because it was really sticky. But then I just paused the video and then added some liquid starch. And before I said borax, but I've been watching everyone make slime with borax and it just got stuck in my head. It was actually liquid starch, but just listen to the poking. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button. And if you didn't, then hit the dislike button. It is okay. I don't really care. So, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys next time. Bye!